Hello friends, myself is Arun Kumar Singh. Today I want to discuss over all the things living, non-living, which exist in our surroundings, make a great effect on us. In other words, we can say the environment in which we live make a deep effect on our life. So first we need to know about the environment. Environment is related to all the living and non-living things which exist all around us or in our surroundings. Living things, it means the people living all around us or the society in which we live, animal, birds, climatic condition, climatic situation like temperature, weather, dryness or humid air, natural things also like mountain, river, plants and trees, forest, and some other things like this, all are related to the words environment. I mean, environment defined the things about which I discussed earlier are related to the words environment. These things always make a great effect on our life. So these things, living and non-living, should be very sound and healthy all around us. The people among which we live should be sound in mind, sound in health, and sound in thinking. If the people are sound in thinking as well as sound mind and sound health, definitely we receive a great effect from them. And the place at where we live are neat and clean, also surrounded with the plants and trees, rivers, mountain, garden, park, and some other things like this makes the good environment. Good environment give us a loads of things. First, we can make the good personality with all the human features. In our life, which are the most needful things nowadays, because most among us are living in a stress, tension. They are not having the self-confidence. They are also not having the good relation among their nears as well as their neighbors. They are also not having confidence in them. And all these things are because of the bad environment. So nowadays, there is a great need of good environment. So we should keep our surrounding neat and clean. We should promote, we should give more force to grow more and more plants and trees all around us. We should also help the poor and needy people who also live in our society, because they are also the important part of our surrounding. All peoples are not alike. Some may be rich, some may be poor, some may have the sound knowledge, having the good literacy, having the good qualification or literate, and some other may not get a chance to have the good education. So that types of the people who are not having the good education, good qualification, definitely there will be the very lack of sound mind, sound thought in those people. So if you are capable to give him the good thoughts, good idea, good habit, and the right wage or to lead the cheerful, happy and prosperous life, definitely we should do it. Because one person cannot make the environment, cannot make the society. Society is a group of people, and a group of good people always from the good society, hence it produces the good environment automatically. So if we able to create the good environment, then all the anti-social activities like bribery, dishonesty, unpunctuality, cheating, kidnapping, killing, and many more bad activities or anti-social activities will automatically be sorted out. So a good environment gives a good wage of lead happy, cheerful and prosperous life. Nowadays, everywhere there is a lack of good environment because people are selfish in nature. They are not satisfied what they earn, what they have. They want to have more and more things, even harming the others. If the people do so, they never create the good environment. So the people living in bad environment always suffering from bad thoughts, suffering from tension, stress, as well as most among them also suffering from different kinds of diseases, about which we have discussed almost in all video which I have uploaded earlier. So it's the right suggestion, it's the right things if we want to develop the good features like honesty, satisfaction, hard working, sincerity, satisfaction, truth, and even non-violence, with having the good relation with our dears, nears, or also having time to participate in social activities, religious activities, and some other activities like this. There is a great need of good environment. So good environment is now become most essential things today. We always try our best to create the good environment. That environment may be also in our family, in our society, in our friend circle, and anywhere at where we go. There must be the need of good environment, because achievement, any kind of achievement that make the record, can only be possible in good environment. Good environment enables us to apply whole heart, whole energy, whole skill and capacity in doing the work. If we are in stress, we cannot put our whole heart as well as whole energy, a skill and time to complete any kinds of the work. So the great personalities also producing nowadays, also coming from any kinds of society nowadays, they always prefer to live in good environment. That's why their skill, their features which can make them great, develop in them. Things are not changed still today, we also need to develop the good personality along with the good features, and for these things a good environment is necessary. So with the help of the video we come to know the need, effect and couch of good environment can be easily obtained. So if you want to take some good things from the video, definitely we should take it and apply, activate in our practical life, so that our life may be cheerful, prosperous, happy, peaceful, and we be able to lead a human life. If you like this video, subscribe it by pressing the bell button, like it also, and send me the comment along with the topics selected by you about which are not discussed in the video. I shall try my best to select all that topics selected by you, and I shall discuss over it in details in my next video. Thank you.